In this video I will share a Beehiiv coupon code with you that will save you 20% off of your first 3 months of using Beehiiv. So if you want to go and get this, just head over to the checkout on Beehiiv. So just head over to billing and plan, go to your plan and click change. From there select the plan you want to upgrade to, for example the scale plan right here. And from here what you can now gonna do is click on the add promotion code right there. And now what you want to do is just type in LOLSUN, all caps lock, and then click apply. And you will now see that 20% is going to be taken off of the price, 20, and that's not just for the first month, that's for the first 3 months that you use Beehiiv. Now if you use it for your annual plan, you will actually get 20% off of your entire year. So usually you will already save money by billing annually, but now you will even save an additional 20% over the last 9 months of the year, since here the 20% is taken off of the entire year, potentially saving you $100 or more, or even hundreds of dollars if you get a more premium plan. So that's a Beehiiv promo code or coupon code that you can use to save yourself a nice amount of money. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.